What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here from AIM Studios and welcome to the 5th episode in this series where I'll be making a classic trance style track from start to finish. In this episode I'll be going over the intro leads and showing you how to create cool effects with your own voice. First I'll be creating the intro lead and intro lead teaser and showing you how the sounds are designed along with the automation used to keep it interesting. After this I'll show you how you can create your own background, riser and whisper effects with your own voice. I'll then show you how you can create your own rise and fall effects also to suit your tracks. We'll be looking at effects, processing, intro lead patterns, automation, sound design, delay, reverb, mixing, EQ, effects placement, and talking you through my full thought process behind everything I'm doing and why. All of this will be done in real time with nothing pre-planned over a 1 hour 30-minute long tutorial so that you get to see the full process in great detail from start to finish. So if you're wanting to learn more about creating intro leads, effects, or getting that classic trance sound, then be sure to check out this tutorial and the others in the series at allanmorrowstudios.com.